Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Ami ma'am. And do you remember what we learned yesterday? Yes, we learned number name 12. Today, again we will do the revision of number name 12. 12. TWELVE 12. How many mangoes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 mangoes. TWELVE 12. Please repeat with me, children. TWELVE 12. Let's count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tomatoes. TWELVE 12. Please repeat with me, children. TWELVE 12. 12 flowers. 12 pencils. 12 butterflies. Today I will show you how to write number name 12 in your notebook. Now let's write the number name 12 in notebook. First we will write the date. 2/22 dot 1/12 dot 2020. Now we will write the title. Leave 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Now we will write the title, number, name. The first letter will be capital. N U M B E R. Number. Leave 1 finger space and write name. N A M E. Name. Now in the first box write number 1. In the next box 2. Put a small dash and write the number name 12. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. Now leave 1 box. Write again number 1 and 2 12. 1, 2, 12. Again a small dash. TWELVE 12. Now in the next box leave one box and write number 12. Your numbers should touch the bottom line. 1, 2, 12. Dash T W E L V E 12. Again leave one box. 1, 2, 12. Small dash T W E L V E 12. Leave one box. Again write 1, 2, 12 dash T W E L V E 12. 1, 2, 12. T W E L V E 12. Leave one box. 1, 2. Small dash T W E L V E 12. 1, 2, 12. T W E L V E 12. 12. T W E L V E 12. So children, in this way you have to write in your notebook number name 12. Now I will give you the solution of the worksheet. Let's read the first number name THREE. So I have circled number 3. In the next line EIGHT 8. So I have circled number 8. Then the next line ELEVEN 11. So I have circled number 11. SIX 6. So I have circled number 6. The last number name TWELVE 12. So I have circled number 12. Children, I am sure you all must have done it correctly. Children, do practice number names 1 to 12. Bye-bye.